Hello, my name is Andres Correa, and this is the 60-second timer built with MSI and SSI logic. The MSI part of this was built with a 74LS93 gate, and the SSI was built with D flip-flops. The inputs will all be converted through a encoder, which is a 74LS47 gate, and we'll go to a common cathode 7-segment display. They're all wired up to 220 ohm resistors, and what we want happen is that whenever the count begins, it will count from 0 all the way up to 60 and then stop at 60, and then reset whenever the switch here is turned to 0. So whenever it's to 1, the count will begin and it will go all the way up to 60. Another constraint put upon this was that whenever the switch was to 0, that the whole circuit would be reset to 0. The timer is wired to a clock, so we can make this we can make the clock pulse faster or slower, and by making it pulse faster, the inputs will go more rapidly. Again, it hits 60, reset, and yep, thanks.